Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be trying different snacks. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'm just going to be trying different snacks. We'll go with these ones first. They're snacks I've never tried before, so this is going to be interesting. Poppable white cheddar. Alright, so let's try these. They smell okay. They're really good. Poppable white cheddar. I don't know how to describe the flavor, but they do taste like white cheddar. They taste familiar though, like kind of like, I don't know how to, they remind me of those fish snacks. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but they're pretty good. Alright, that's enough of poppable white cheddar, perfectly poppable crispy potato bites. There's the back of it. Alright, I'm going to put them to the side. Alright, next we are going to try Turbo Flamas. Turbo Flamas. Alright. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, they smell spicy. I like spicy food, so I should be fine. Sorry. They taste like lime. Spicy but limey. It doesn't say there's no lime to it. Oh! There's the lime right here in the back. But yeah. Turbo Flamas. They're pretty good. Alright. I'm going by really quickly. The next, I'm gonna try these white cheddar Cheeto puffs. Wish me good luck, you guys. I don't know if they're gonna be good. I don't know why I feel like they're gonna be plain. Alright, let's try them. Ooh, they smell good. I didn't even demonstrate how they look. Like, this is how they look. They taste healthy. It tastes like cheese. Made with real cheese. It literally does taste like a block of cheese. It's weird. Yeah. Well, these are the white cheddar Cheeto puffs. Putting them on the side as we go. Okay, I only have 2 more left, and then these 2 drinks. Alright, guys. Moment of truth. Not just kidding. These are Funyun waves. I hope they taste good. We'll see. Okay. They smell good. Oh, they're really big. Look at that. Sorry, my hair is in the way. Okay. They taste oniony. Like really strong onions. It does say onion flavored chips. So yeah. Okay. Last but not least are these Dorito Flamas. Okay, let's see. See how they taste. That's how they look. And they taste like these ones. Similar. So that was the last but not least of the chips. To be honest, my favorite ones are these ones. I don't know why. I love these. These are so good. And I didn't even demonstrate how they look. This is how they look. Like that. I don't know why these are my favorite ones. Yeah. Okay. Now, for the drinks, I got Big Game Energy Cotton Candy and Big Game Energy Sour Gummy. I'm gonna go ahead and try the cotton candy first. Wish me good luck. I'm kind of nervous. I didn't know if I was supposed to shake it. Oh well. Tastes like cotton candy. And it's okay. It's too sugary for me. Anyway, let's try this one now. Sour gummy. Okay. Oh yeah, that's good. I like this one better. The sour gummy. I needed that because some of those were spicy. Anyway, that'll be all for today. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see anything else different. I don't know. I'm just trying to be creative with my videos. Okay, guys. Well, it was nice seeing you guys. Peace, love, and light.